Hi, it's Brandon from All American Thrills. You are watching our latest construction update of Chick-fil-A, opening in 2017 at Hersheypark. Work in the area has started. So the soda pop stage has begun being taken apart. It appears as the Shakey's building is being gutted. And the bathrooms have closed, and it also appears as those have been being gutted as well. Now remember, the bathrooms, Shakey's, and the small stage right next to Shakey's are all coming down to make way for gorgeous new bathrooms and Chick-fil-A open Monday through Saturday, featuring both indoor and outdoor seating, and will serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So in the meantime, while the bathrooms are closed, the park has placed temporary bathrooms nearby to where the ones used to be, just in front of Dry Gulch Railroad. So riding the monorail now to get a little bit of view above, this area is going to be changing very drastically next year as the bathrooms come down, Shakey's comes down, and the stage next to Shakey's all come down for, like I said, new bathrooms and Chick-fil-A. Thank you for watching this construction update of Chick-fil-A at Hersheypark. Make sure you subscribe to Alt View here on YouTube so you can get notified when we post more updates. Additionally, like All American Thrills on Facebook, follow on Twitter and Instagram, and visit allamericanthrills.com for loads of family-friendly theme park pictures, videos, updates, and more. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.